Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a 2026 Bennington 22 SSR. This boat is a tritoon with a full center length SPS tritoon package powered by a Yamaha 150 horsepower motor with a stainless steel prop, and we also have a ski tow bar back there. This boat is in the midnight black panel color, and it has the integrated dock lights and navigation lights here on the side. Come around to the back of the boat, let me show you some more features. Coming to the back of the boat, as I was saying, here's your 150 horsepower Yamaha motor, the stainless steel propeller, and the ski tow bar. And then we have a nice boarding ladder here off to the side with a little bit of room on the deck to be able to get in and out of the boat easily. Let's go inside. All right, everybody, thanks for coming inside and taking a look at this boat with me. This boat is our quad bench or stern radius seating arrangement, and it has the captain and co-captain seats. And there's a lot of great features I want to show you. One of them being this removable bow table. It's got a nice inline area to keep your items from sliding around and 4 built-in cup holders, and it removes and stows easily underneath the console. Another great feature is our door glides. Each one of these door glides will open and close your door very easily. Has an LED floor light so you can see your entry point. And just look at how effortlessly the door glides and then holds open if you're going in and out of the boat, either through the bow, the stern, or the port side gate door. This boat has the 80% cutout around the back of the seat with a nice tall baluster for superior comfort. And what's great about this 80% cutout, it's a great spot to throw your sunscreen, your telephone. It's got a tray and cup holders built in back there, and it keeps everything out of the way and neatly stored inside the boat. Coming here to the console, you can see our captain and co-captain's chair. And this is a really well laid out console. Let me show you some of my favorite features, and I'm gonna grab a seat so I can show you better. Number one is I love how they pull the throttle down alongside the driver for a very nice, comfortable position. This has the tilt steering wheel so you can get it angled for your comfort. And the boat here will have a backrest that slides forward and backwards and flip down armrests. And everything's laid out real nice for the driver comfort. We've got the windscreen built in right here on the dash. We've got a Bluetooth Rockford Fosgate stereo. We have a Garmin GPS and chart plotter here to your right-hand side. Down below the steering wheel, I've got a little cubby with a wireless built-in charger so I can store my phone and charge it out of the sun. And a nice little glove box to keep your items locked when you're going up to that restaurant or getting gas. And once again, this boat has the 10-foot long bimini top to give you lots of coverage from the sun. Comes with a full mooring cover as well on this. And we'd love to show it to you in person here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina.